But yeah, valve core puller. We're gonna need 2 bars. I got me a spoon, and I don't know the name of this one. Put a new valve stem in here, and yeah, take this off. This is one of the scariest things you can go through, man, because these tires, these rims hold a lot of pressure. So yeah, that sucked, but thank God I made it home. And the truck is, you know, it costs money. It's a business, and it takes money to run a business. So I guess I'm gonna just make this a 2-part video, but that's an update on what's been going on. And one of the reasons why I have not been uploading as often as I would like to, it's just been a lot, and in a good way, but you got to keep going, man. A lot of big things coming up, man. A lot of big changes in my life, a lot of big changes in the status of what I'm doing. Y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate all y'all watching on this journey as I go. I don't know what caused this titty, so if anybody got any suggestions, I greatly appreciate knowing, so I can avoid it for future reference. And all right, what's going on, Will? It's your man Pat Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm out here in the yard right now, man, and I told y'all I was gonna make this video about doing this tire change. And so here it is. This is off of my tow truck, and a couple tools we're gonna use is a hammer, which we don't really need this hammer because it's already broken off the bead. I need to go get my valve core puller. But yeah, valve core puller. We're gonna need 2 bars. I got me a spoon, and I don't know the name of this one, but I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna do this, and we're gonna get into it. So I'll go through the whole thing as if it was not already started. And typically the first thing you're gonna do is pull off this valve. You're gonna pull this off here, okay, pull off that cord. But like I say, there is no air in here, so for these purposes on this particular application, we're not gonna worry about that. And it's already off the rim, but typically you're gonna try to find a place where you can grab this. But before I do that, matter of fact, hold on, y'all know I talk about lube a lot. I don't mess around, and I got me a homemade one that I made out of some Dawn dish soap and water. I probably need to add more soap, but I like to lube it up. I don't like it sticky because I know that's icky. Now we're gonna take our hammer, and you wanna literally get the duck bill of the hammer right in between the rim and the tire. Like I say, this is already actually broken off, so I ain't really got to worry about that. But if it wasn't, you would do that, pump it down, and just gonna go ahead and flip this bad boy over. Lay it down gently. I don't want to bend my rim. Got some of your lubricant. And like I say, this is off the bead already, but if it was not, I personally, because I'm a smaller guy, put one foot on the wheel and then come in. There you go, just like that. That's what you want right there. You want to get the hammer in between the bead of the rim and the bead of the tire and the lip of the rim, because it literally sits right here. Okay, but that's off now. Come on, that's what you want. Okay, now you can go from either side, and I'm no tire expert by any means necessary. I just know how to do it. There's a lot of things to take into consideration because these are some pretty heavy duty tires. All right, but we're gonna take that duckbill spoon, and you want to go under the lip. So imagine if this was that duckbill, it's gonna go and scoop it up. Bring your pressure off around here, come up, yeah. All right, now I've messed up this a couple times. So what you want to do is hold that there. Make sure you hold this now. If this thing pop back up, something is either gonna break or get hurt. And I'm just gonna go a little bit closer, try to help that bead get over that rim. Come on. Just to loosen up some of the tension. Because right now you can't tell, but this thing is trying to kick back at me. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. Feet slippery. That's the one problem when you're running that what's the name though? Hey, you don't want to bite too much, but as you can see, I don't have any extra room that I can go here, so I'm trying to literally get this thing down just a little bit, keep you around. Tell you what, I'll cheat this thing just a little bit. Can you tell I'm not a big tire guy? Come on. A bit too much, so we're gonna go over. There we go. Oh, really? Okay. Usually better at this. Of course, it's when the camera's present that it does this. And I could go get another bar, but I'll be fine with what I got. All I'm trying to do at this point is get tension off of this one, because as soon as I let go of this, then it's gonna end up putting the bead, this is the bead, back down over the lip of the rim, which is not what I want. Oh man, stay here. Oh, well, thank God that didn't hit me in the nuts. That would have sucked. It's because I'm biting too much, but I'm kind of in a situation where I have to. When I called a tire shop, asked them how much it was to change it, they said 60 bucks. For good reason why they make $60 an hour. Actually, it's more like 120 because they're not gonna take near as long to change out a tire as I am right now. Like I say, I don't do this every day, but I've been around the block once or twice. As you can tell, only like once or twice. Hey King, what you doing? Where's your pants? Then Daddy making a video. Hold on. My young king is joining me. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, good job. All right, now comes the fun part. See how I busted that lip? This tire wasn't no good anyway.
Wow.
All right, We gotta get you some pants, dude. Can you hand me that bar? Yep, that's the one. It's heavy. You got it? Thanks, man. All right, y'all. So you got this part of the tire out, of the rim. Okay. What you have here, I don't know the name of these things. Like I said, I'm not a big tire guy. I know how to do it, but I don't know the name, the proper terminology for it. But we want this to basically hit on the inside. So if you're looking at it like this wants to hit that lip just like this. See how that is? And pull it up. So my goal is to get this in the inside of here. Should have probably removed that weight too. I guess I should have probably put that in there. I didn't even know these were balanced, to be completely honest with you. And see how that is? That's what we want right there. And we're gonna throw this bad boy down. Okay. All right, here we go. Whew. Okay, that's what we're looking for. All right, and we're gonna sling this down. I'm gonna stay next to my hammer, keep pressure on here so I can keep it up. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, but keep pressure there. Back to my hammer. Actually, we'll hit it like that. Do not hit that rim, just that bead. Busted that down. That's, whew, wasn't no good for real. That part was not supposed to happen. Now was it, Skipper? No, sir. No, sir. I need something down here. You know what? Let's try to do it without it. Pretty sure that ain't gonna work. Yeah, it ain't gonna work. Then you back up. My spoon. So much easier if I could just do this in the shade. But I'm very thankful just to have the knowledge and the strength to be able to do it, because a lot of people don't. Also be nice if I had the time or the money, which I probably will take that other one over there. Do have something I can allocate towards it. There we go. Woo. All right, now let's put some pressure back here. This time I'm gonna hit it with the duck bill like that. This time I ain't letting your booty come out. 2 bars. And there you have it. Whew. Now, that's well worth. Oh, where is that? Okay, here we go. Okay. Whew. Well worth $30 a tire. But I will say this. I just saved $60. So combine 30 mount, 30 mount, 30 or 30 dismount, 30 mount. I've done it at home. It's 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, so 15 minutes. So what that would mean was technically every 30 minutes, if it went exactly like this, I will be able to do one tire. And if I got $60 per tire and I could do 2 in an hour, that means, yeah, $120 I just saved. Pretty impressive, pretty impressive. Now I did spend a lot of money on those bars and that hammer, which is well used. But that is how you take off a 19.5 wheel from a rim. Okay, so like I said, it's kind of stupid. I don't even have the other tire yet, but I wanted to make this video before I shot to the tire shop. And I'm gonna take that other one off. Hey, close that door. Thank you. Ay, mi gente, y'all be pro mundo beneficio. Till next time, siempre. Peace.